In the world of technology, we are obsessed with artificial intelligence. We build supercomputers with billions of transistors trying to mimic the human brain. But what if I told you that one of the smartest engineers on Earth doesn't have a brain at all? It doesn't even have a single neuron. Meet Physarum polycephalum, commonly known as the slime mold. It's not a plant, it's not an animal, and it's definitely not a fungus. It is a single-celled organism that has lived on this planet for nearly 1 billion years, and it is solving problems that baffle our top mathematicians. Today, we are exploring the mystery of biological AI. How does a brainless yellow slime design perfect transportation networks, solve complex mazes, and remember the past? This is the story of the brainless computer. In 2010, researchers in Japan conducted an experiment that shocked the scientific world. They placed oat flakes, the slime mold's favorite food, on a map of Tokyo, corresponding to the locations of major railway stations. They then let the slime mold loose. What happened next was nothing short of miraculous. The slime mold began to grow, searching for food. But it didn't just grow randomly. It created a network of tubes to transport nutrients between the oat flakes. Within 26 hours, the slime mold had created a network that was almost identical to the actual Tokyo subway system. But here's the kicker. The slime mold's version was more efficient and resilient than the one designed by human engineers. If one path was broken, the slime had already built a backup route. It had solved a multi-billion-dollar engineering problem using nothing but basic biological chemistry. How does it do it? Without a central nervous system, how does it decide which path is better? The answer lies in its externalized memory. As the slime mold moves, it leaves behind a trail of translucent slime. When it encounters its own old trail, it knows it has already been there and turns away. But it goes deeper. In another experiment, scientists exposed a slime mold to a blast of cold air every hour. The slime mold hated the cold and slowed down. After a few repetitions, the scientists stopped the cold air. Surprisingly, at the exact time the cold air should have come, the slime mold slowed down anyway. It had remembered the timing. This isn't just instinct, this is data processing. The slime mold uses the rhythmic pulsing of its internal fluids, a process called shuttle streaming, to store information. It's like a living clock, ticking with the rhythm of survival. This discovery is forcing us to redefine what intelligence actually is. For centuries, we believed that intelligence required a brain. But the slime mold proves that intelligence is a property of life itself. Today, NASA is using slime mold algorithms to map the cosmic web, the invisible threads of dark matter that connect galaxies. Architects are using it to design more efficient buildings, and computer scientists are looking at it to create biocomputers that can process information with zero electricity. In a world where we fear AI might take over, perhaps the real lesson comes from this yellow slime. True intelligence is about connection, efficiency, and harmony with the environment. The slime mold reminds us that the deeper we look into nature, the more we find that we aren't the only geniuses on this planet. Sometimes, the most profound wisdom is hidden in the simplest places, under a damp log, in the form of a brainless yellow mold. If you found this deep dive fascinating, subscribe to Think Depth. We explore the mysteries that lie just beneath the surface. Until next time, keep looking deeper